winter weather advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations up to 2 inches valley floor, 2 to 6 inches benches and Wasatch back. Where? Northern Wasatch Front and Wasatch back, especially between Morgan and Park City. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Winter driving conditions are expected. The hazardous conditions will impact the Tuesday morning commute, especially between Layton and North Salt Lake and Morgan and Park City, including portions of I-15, I-84, and I-80. Slow down and use caution while traveling. For winter road conditions from the Utah Department of Transportation, visit http://www.traffic.utah.gov. For graphical depictions of the snowfall forecast, including official National Weather Service forecast, high-end amount, and low-end amount, visit weather.gov/Salt Lake City/winter. Here is the forecast.